Hello, business principal students. You're almost done. I'm proud of you. Looks like half of you haven't taken the final yet. Remember, the final is due tonight at 11:59. Please don't start the final at 11:30 and expect to finish by 11:59. The system will kick you out at 11:59, and whatever you've done at that time is what you're going to score. So I would start at least by 10 to make sure that you get it done. I also need you to check your grades. Make sure that what's on the McGraw-Hill site is what's in Blackboard. If there's a discrepancy, let me know. I haven't had any issues with that, but you never can tell. So if you expect an 85 and you've got one in the McGraw-Hill site, but you have a 0 in the Blackboard site, there's a disconnect, let me know. You need to let me know as soon as possible. So check your grades tonight. Remember that the class is on a scale of 3,000 points. So an A is 2,700 points and above, a B is 2,400 points and above, and a C is 2,100 points and above. 2,099 points and below is a D or an F. You get the idea. It's in the syllabus. Look at the syllabus. Make sure that you also do the course evaluation. If you hated the course, don't do it. But if you liked it, let me know. And if there's something that you didn't like, let me know. One thing that I get a lot of feedback on is the written assignments. Some of you are not writers, and that's why you're in business. That's not the way to look at this. If you're in business, you probably need to be a good writer, at least to be able to get what's inside your brain out on paper. And oh, by the way, it's only 3 paragraphs. It's not like I'm asking you to write a novel or anything. So if that is your feedback, maybe don't put that in there. Unless you just hated the questions, which I think all the questions were actually pretty good. And a lot of you gave some really good conversational feedback and your point of view if you really thought about it and put more than 2 paragraphs in there. And most of your grades were pretty good. You really have to try hard to get less than a B in that on those type of assignments, which I don't think any of you got much more than less than a B. Most of you got A's because I think you guys really did a good job on answering those questions. That's it. I really appreciate you because you make it so I can have a job. I want you to be successful, so I'm going to leave you with this. One of the things that I do is help people find jobs and find better jobs. If you need help with interviewing, I will give everybody at least 30 minutes of my time, and I probably do it 2 or 3 times a week to help you sharpen your interviewing skills. If you have a job offer and you want to bounce it back to me, I'm more than happy to help you negotiate. Because if you have a job offer and you don't negotiate, I hate to say it this way, you're stupid. You need to negotiate your job offers. And if you haven't taken my BUSI-1305 class, I said BUSI, BMGT 1305 Business Communication, we actually have mock interviews and I review your resume and all those things, and I give you my 25 years of experience as how to negotiate salary and things like that. So if you haven't taken the class, you might want to do it. It's a good one. Okay, sorry to take more than I wanted to, but please, as long as I have a TCC email address, you can get a hold of me, and I'm glad to help you be successful. I wish you all well, and enjoy what's left of the summer. Bye.